from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
A fire in eastern Henrico leaves one person injured, and sitting down with new Congresswoman Jennifer McClellan. We'll tell you about all that and more in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Monday, April 10th, 2023, and it's brought to you today by Henrico County.
And now for the news.
One person was injured during a morning house fire in Highland Springs on Saturday. It happened in the 400 block of North Ivy Avenue just before 9 a.m. The two-story single-family house caught fire. Responding crews found that one person had been inside the home at the time of the fire. That person was taken to VCU Medical Center for treatment. His or her condition is unknown. It's been almost 2 months since Jennifer McClellan became the first black woman ever elected to Congress from Virginia. McClellan won a special election to serve in the 4th District in the U.S. House of Representatives, filling the seat vacated by the sudden death last year of Democrat Donald McKeechin. Recently, McClellan sat down with the Capitol News Service for a Q&A. You can find that right now on our website, learn more about her and some of her goals for her term in office. Well, if you know of a particularly noteworthy residential or commercial property that is well kept, the Keep Henrico Beautiful Committee would like to hear from you. It's seeking nominations for its 2023 Land Lover and Clean Business Awards. Those awards have been presented annually since 1995. They're part of the county's Go Green commitment to environmental stewardship, and they recognize home and business properties that are attractively landscaped, well-maintained, and litter-free. Now, to nominate someone, you can find a nomination form link on our website by looking for this article, or you can email bro172@henrico.us. Or if you'd like to learn more, call 501-7277. Henrico officials will hold 8 open houses between April 15th and 26th to teach residents how to perform bystander CPR and also use an automated external defibrillator, which could potentially save the life of someone suffering cardiac arrest. The open houses are free and open to the public. There's no registration required. Each open house will have 2 parts, a 15-minute presentation and a 15-minute demonstration, and they will be offered continuously during each 2-hour open house event, so you can come and go as you please. Visit our website, henricocitizen.com, for details about where these events are taking place, as well as times and dates. Virginia education leaders are considering pausing the use of chronic absenteeism as one of the factors that the state considers in determining school accreditation because of increases in student absences due to the spread of COVID-19 and other respiratory illnesses. A year ago, the Board of Education agreed to suspend the use of chronic absenteeism as a factor in accreditation for the 2022-23 school year for similar reasons. The rate of chronic absenteeism in the state is more than 4 times higher this school year than it was in the 2 years prior to the pandemic. That's according to a survey by the Virginia Association of School Superintendents. Our partners at Virginia Mercury have a deeper dive into this topic, and you can read it right now on our website, henricocitizen.com, by clicking on News and then Education. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Henrico County. Henrico County is now hiring. You can visit henrico.us/jobs to view a complete list of all opportunities, full and part-time, that are currently available. Learn more about Henrico's commitment to its employees and the Henrico Way, and find out why employees like Henrico Police Logistics Asset Manager Kristen Gaines say, quote, "Henrico feels like my home. It really is my family. I can't imagine doing anything else." That's henrico.us/jobs.